So, hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Light Patterns extension for After Effects. You can hover over any of the patterns in the toolbox and see a short preview, which are prepared in various categories. Well, to apply, select the composition, then choose one of the patterns, and finally apply it. The light pattern has been applied, and you can see its effect. A composition has been created in the timeline with this single layer. You can easily make adjustments related to movement, angle, lighting, shadow effects, and timing. Here I change the shadow diffusion and shadow darkness values. To display the control points, ensure the effect is selected. If they are not visible, press Ctrl+Shift+H on Windows to activate them. This is the starting point for radiation and the creation of the light pattern. The timing of its movement can be adjusted using the timeline by moving the start marker. The same order applies to both the endpoint and end time. These points can be adjusted manually or through the Effect Controls panel. You can also adjust the focus point of the light using the Effect Controls panel or control point. And we also have 3 types here for the type of light focus that create different results that you can change for different conditions. There are also 2 checkboxes to enable motion reversal and another to start and stop smooth motion. By activating the invert light option, the light and shadow modes will be inverted. In another example, I will apply another pattern. In the pattern layer section, we can change the position of the pattern layer with altering the angle or other properties. The scale and opacity of the pattern can also be adjusted. And in the rotation layer section, you can adjust the pattern's angle without altering the original light angle. In the light section, there are settings related to lighting, such as light color, light intensity, etc. Here you see the effect of the cone angle and cone feather options. In a different example, I will use another pattern from the curtain category. And by changing the shading and light sections, we achieve the desired results. In this new example, we aim to apply an underwater pattern. After applying the underwater pattern, we can adjust the lightness and darkness of the effect through the Effect Controls panel and the Tint effect. And if necessary, to make the work more complete, we use an adjustment layer and the displacement map effect, as you can see. And in the last example, we apply a pattern from the object group. To modify or add our own objects to the patterns, we first open the main composition. From there, we enter the window composition. In this section, we can make our changes. In our case, we will be adding some text. Now let's go back to our composition and see the final result. I hope you found our tool and this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.